true to thee till death. For Father's chained in prison's dark was still in heart and conscience free. How sweet to be the children's fate, if they like them could die for thee. Faith of our Father's holy faith, we will be true to thee till death. Faith of our fathers we will love, both friend and foe, in all our strife, and bring thee to us love knows how, by kindly words and we are just love. Faith of our Father's holy faith, we will be true to